Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Benjamin, you are watching Sartorial Styles, and today I will introduce you to the shoe brand 3DM Lifestyle. So this is the website of 3DM Lifestyle. They offer many different shoe and boot styles, including these Venetian loafers I really like. As you can see here, prices start at 150 euros and go up to 265 euros for boots with a handmade patina. I like how they always have many pictures of the actual shoes displayed on the product page, while I don't like the lack of information on things like leather quality, country of origin and construction method. I asked them about it and they ensured that all their shoes are Blake stitched and made in India. Sizing starts at UK 5 and goes up to UK 12.5. They offer half sizes on made-to-order pairs with a patina like this one, but not on ready-to-ship pairs like these Oxfords. These shoes ship in a matter of a few days, while made-to-order options take about 5 weeks to produce. They use DHL and FedEx for shipping, and it takes about 7 to 10 days until the shoes arrive. In my case, it was even faster. Shipping is free, exchanges are free as well, but you might have to pay custom duties if you are located outside of the US. I received a pair of Jodhpur boots in tan leather and a pair of Chelsea boots in dark brown suede for free to make this video possible. Even though I did not pay anything for the order, I still had to pay some taxes. I have been wearing both pairs frequently for about a month and so far I really like these boots. I have a UK 8 size on most Carmina and Meermin lasts, and UK 8 fits me exceptionally well in these 3DM Lifestyle boots too. The shoes hug my feet without being too tight. There was absolutely no break-in period on these pairs. They are more comfortable than my Shoe Passion boots and feel lighter and more fitted overall. Let's start with the Jodhpur boots. I never had a pair of shoes in this style before and I really love wearing them. The leather is a little bit darker than the typical tan color, what I actually really like. The burnishing is subtle and therefore these boots are classic enough to be worn with a suit. The buckles are made of metal and feel very well in the hand. The closure works fine and no problems occurred so far. I received quite many compliments when I was wearing these boots to university or around friends, so people seem to like them quite a lot. The stitch density on the sole is decent and I like the added rubber part on the front because it improves traction when it's raining or even snowing. The back of the shoes isn't just stitched together but finished with a patch that is put over the stitching. I hope you know what I mean. I personally don't like that look too much, but it fits boots quite well. For their more formal Oxford and Derby styles, they use a different stitching method. That's great. The only negative thing I can tell you about these boots is that the buckles add some width to them. Therefore, most trousers do not drape very nicely because they are held up by the buckles basically. The problem only occurs on rather tailored fitted trousers and not on looser fits. And if you wear them, the boots of course, if you wear the boots with denim jeans, you can just cuff them and the problem is fixed. Cuff the jeans, not the boots. That was a weird sentence, but yeah. Another first for me. This is my first and so far only pair of Chelsea boots. I went for a rather dark brown suede because I also didn't have any pair of suede shoes yet, and I wanted to try different leather options for this review. Once again, they are very comfortable to wear and fit perfectly. The stitching on the sole and the rubber parts are identical to the Jodhpur boots. The elastics are in a very dark brown shade and elastic enough to put the shoes on comfortably. I do like the suede material used. It's soft and has a nice texture, but it's not too wild. After wearing these boots for almost a month now, I can tell you that they are comfortable and made of a very decent quality. Sure, they are Blake stitched and not Goodyear welted. Sure, the last isn't as special as a Yossel last and there are no premium details like closed channel stitching or a fiddleback sole. The lines of the last are pretty straightforward, I would say, and not very distinguished, but that's always the case when it comes to shoes in this price range. The sizing is on point though, and I received some compliments when wearing the boots. My biggest point of criticism probably is the price. You can buy a Goodyear welted pair of boots for 220 to 240 euros at Meermin, and these will even feature a day-night rubber outsole. That's a price difference of about 40 euros without including taxes into the calculation, which will apply to you when you are ordering 3DM lifestyle boots from outside the US. I still really like these shoes, but for around the same price you can get a pair with a better construction, which might last longer. What do you think? Are these boots worth their money? Let's discuss that in the comments. I'm out for today. Enjoy your day or evening. See you again in 2 weeks.